The patient waited to see the doctor at the doctor's surgery. The man waited for 2 hours before he did the job interview. The woman waited for more than 3 hours for her flight. The man waited a long time before his wife's flight arrived. The woman waited at the bus stop for the bus. The man waited for 1 hour in the traffic jam before the traffic started to move. The passengers waited for their luggage to arrive. The man waited for the phone to ring, but she never called him back. The woman waited for the train at the subway station. The passengers waited for their trains to arrive. The customers waited in a long queue for the toilet. The customer waited in line to collect his prescription. The job interviewers waited for the interviewee to arrive and sit down in front of them. The woman waited for the other interviewee to finish their job interview. The people waited at the bus stop. The dogs waited to see the vet at the veterinary clinic. The woman waited for her friend to come and pick her up. The woman waited for her blind date to arrive. The dog waited patiently for its owner to return. The man waited excitedly for his dinner to arrive. The woman waited for her boyfriend to show her what he had behind his back. The cars waited at the port for the ferry to arrive. The boy waited for it to stop raining. The women waited in the spa lounge before they got their beauty treatment. The woman waited for the green man before she crossed the road. The woman in the red dress waited for her husband to come back home before they went out for dinner. The man waited for over an hour for his friend to arrive. He was continuously looking at his watch. The woman waited for help to arrive. The man waited outside before he was allowed to get on the plane. The man waited for the lift to arrive. The child waited for Santa to arrive and bring all the presents.